Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial about WordPress, and we're gonna be using Elementor. So this is my website. I'll make a tutorial about how to make one page first. This is gonna be your post, and this is gonna be your appearance. So you have to donate on my blog, then customize it. I mean, you don't have to customize it. You go to this pin bar and go to post all the way up here and add a new post. And maybe this post is gonna be tutorial me IT. Now we're gonna be publishing this. Now you post, back to WordPress editor, loading. Now that's done. We can actually start by me showing off the the features of Elementor. So first, how do you install Elementor? It's fairly easy. You just go up here, and when you make your website in WordPress, I'll make a tutorial for that. If you don't know how to, I'll go to plugins and just find the most popular and just click this. Go to install, click this, and just you can go here and you can see this purple logo. That is Elementor with one of the most popular add-ons in WordPress, and you can see it's working fine. Sorry, I think I'm really tired. This is not it. So let's actually start. First, you have the basic things. First a container. A container is one of these, the small things inside of the grid, and a grid is just a lot of containers. A container is just one thing, but a grid is a lot of containers. So it's basically the same thing. You can control how many grids you want and what is the height of the grids. But I'll tell you first how to use them. Let's just make only one grid. And grids are basically the building blocks for Elementor. And just go here and let's make a profile. Let's make this. Maybe a page for you. A page for maybe like your web. I think this post is gonna be about maybe Canva. That's a good idea. So we're just gonna need a picture for Canva. Oh wait, Canva logo like this. As we can see here, we have a lot of Canva logos, and we can go to Alat. This is also a tutorial for Google this. You can go to Alat and go to colors, then go to transparent. All of these pictures PNGs are PNGs and real PNGs, not fake ones. If you do that, and you can install this. All of these are PNGs, so they are installable and very much free. That's why it's so useful to know that, because I do know people don't really know about that. That's very many. I'm kind of curious why people don't. And I try to find it on YouTube, and there's very little amount of people that really know how to say it. Let's just make it cool. Custom caption. Okay, this is gonna be about Canva, and maybe let's edit our style here. The height is gonna be this long, and the max. Maybe we need opacity. Nope.
yeah, this is all. You can contacting me.
Now after that,
maybe using phone number or WhatsApp, and then
maybe we can add a
Instagram
text
or
color,
my
a text
Gmail ya. You can
maybe here
yeah.
on top
Then
saying
yeah, I have
Canva
already
tutorial,
checked that
Canva tutorial like this,
certificate
and
peserta
we
dan
can
I
go
am
to
joining the
style
NSP
to
or International
make
Sepak
the
Takraw.
make the text center, and if you want to
The second class, yeah,
uh,
kembali lagi ke second class.
change the
And
text,
this is
maybe
yeah,
add the blur
free
like this,
a free certificate
or
for Canva.
make
I'm
it
just
more
going to 100 design in Canva. After that,
if it
yeah, I get the
make
certificate
it
and
more
I download it. Yeah. And this is my project.
very good. And if you want to change the color, you can also go to style. But the more interesting thing is in advance. In advance you can do a lot more, but it's a lot more complicated, I guess. Well, it's not complicated, it's just here.
Now, in here you can
And
see
you
like
can
a
change the
border
scale
or
here.
border. Actually, it's because I make it on this account. Yeah. So
And
if
you can
I
change
open
this
it on the other account,
over, like you can even go out of the well website. So if you don't want to use your
slash slash double slash
well your
that answer, and yeah,
your
if you go to the
your
my
box
website, and it
your
will
grid,
work like
you have to use advanced.
but you
So
never need connect everything.
it's kind of annoying to actually do this,
Only just can see that. And
but
then
it's actually
I will put it on the
very
description
simple.
or in the bio. Okay. That's all for me. Thank you for watching my video.
This is impossible if you don't use advanced. It's an transform and I can show you some showcases of what you can do in advanced. So go down again and go to transform again. Now maybe rotate. You can rotate all the way to the any degrees and offset, and you can go to out of the build box, which is impossible normally. Oh, whoa. Gonna offset over that. Normally this is impossible if you don't use advanced, and you can actually make it also bigger, just like before. Whoa. Whoa. Like this. Just like that. So you can make whatever you want with the picture. I personally like it very much, as you can basically do anything you want without coding in advance, and you can add a background over maybe transparent duration.
YouTube.
You can just play around with advance if you want to see what it does, but just explore whatever you want. But there is a limit, because some of these are very much paid. I'm not gonna be telling you to pay, because if it's a subscription, and if the subscription runs out like for a month, your websites gets broken very badly. It's better if you just learn how to code actually. Well, so this is the icon. Icons are just for icons. If you and icons are maybe just are meant to be icons, I guess. Hard, hard. It's hard to find, but it's quite hard to find words when you're trying while just random encoding at night. Okay. So you can go to icon library and you can find any icon you want. Even icon for social medias like YouTube. Maybe you want to make this a button. Well, easy. You can insert SVG or link here. This can be a button for your YouTube website, and you can even just add a grid like this. If you add this small drawing tool here, you can go to style. Wait, not this. You can go here and click this dot, and you can actually change the amount of containers. I don't think this is gonna work. I think just add a container inside of container like this. Then add another container here, maybe like this. Now after you have this container, just maybe duplicate it a lot of times. Now you can add your icons as buttons, I guess. So this is for your social medias, like maybe my social media is Instagram. How to Insta like that. And you can find Instagram any icon you want. And of course you can go to style to just simply change the color or rotate it or change the size. Yeah, it's fairly simple. This is just drag and drop like Canva. And you can go to borders and or motion effects. Most of these are basically just lock off, but it's very simple changeable. I'll just recommend Transform because it's all free and you can do a lot with it. Rotate everything you want or do anything with the scale. And also these are the features. You can also just play around with this. Google Maps even are here if you want to make Google Maps or something like that. Now I'll show you an actual website that I made in a quick session and very rush, but it works as a website. Accordion is probably a good one to show off for the short tutorial. First, you can name each one of them whatever you want. Like this is my IT tutorial, like this. Now this is gonna be my Dinia tutorial, like this. Dina, you know what Dina useful. Now you can put an image or just a video, and your video is gonna be about, well, let's go to YouTube here. Maybe here. This is the first video I found in the middle. Video page charity, and click hit the link. Sorry for my coughing there. And you can see this is gonna be the video. This is my Dinia tutorial, guys. It's very impressive. I know the thumbnail is very weird for a Dinia video, and you can delete the URL and make a description for it, like this is my Dinia tutorial, like that. And you can see a very beautiful face, like that. And this is this is about Canva, by the way. So this is all made in Canva with the new tutorial. And let's and this is the spacers is literally just about making space for your stuff. What? It's not open, No, this is my website. So,
don't open me traffic.
Okay, Mito, I want.
Itu. So this is my website, and don't forget to publish every time because it basically just saves every your time each time you save, but don't save too much because sometimes it lags. And also sometimes if your web hosting isn't good, it's very heavy to actually just put your own video in here, so that's why you need to actually just grab the, well, what's the name of that, like packages from YouTube, not actually just upload straight and download this and serve it in your own website. It's better to just leave this as a actual YouTube video. No, no. So I'll show you my website. Uh, I don't know. So this is my better website. Uh, there's a lot to making a website that still I don't really know. But basically this is the basic if you don't know how to code and making websites, and it's very good. And I like making the website. And maybe sorry for the camera because it's a little dark. And while we wait, this retrieving WordPress admin credential. Please wait. I'll just say that this website is kind of crap, and I'll, while waiting also, let's just go back to the RT tutorial and go down here to go to categories, and this is how we're going to make uh, our well IT tutorial post show up in wherever you want. Maybe in games, instead of games is gonna be our tutorial me IT, and we can actually just save this and go to our website. uh, you can see here. Now we can start and go down in games. One of these
Ah, 10
is gonna
minutes.
be
So first, no.
one of these will have, I guess.
Until 9:30.
Tadi baru bilang.
Oh here, IT tutorial me, and it will show up here in my website, and this is gonna be our Mr. Beast video, blah. And
Woi, Mr. Beast mulu di setel.
so don't hear them, they're lying. This is just a normal video, and just like that you have a website working. And well, this is my other website that's entirely made of, well, no, entirely made of Elementor. You can delete this and go to edit Elementor, and show you what the website looks like in a better condition. So let's change this from hello world to test, cause it's better, cause it's where the actual website is. My project not test. But the loading for this is so website isn't a very hard thing to do, to make. It's just the internet that you have to do. So you can see this is my projects and this is my website. This is my catching fruit tutorial. This is a tutorial inside of a tutorial, I guess. Okay, so this is my plus take me out tutorial, and you can see here wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Today I am
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to be nothing. And this is my introduction video, and
Ya
this is made all in
Allah.
Elementor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to introduce myself. My name is Yani Parisi Fatudin.
This
And
guy looks so
I
lazy.
am here in Indian by boarding
Okay.
school to learn about English, and this is my English project. So I'll tell of my introduce myself again.
You can
And
see
I'll tell more
myself
for
there, just introducing myself for 1 minute. You can also see this in the same channel that you're watching right now, and you can publish if you want. All this is made in Canva, and this is using this, and this is the same thing that I just showed you before, using well, accordion. Yes, this is my Catching Pro tutorial, Canva tutorial, and if you want to change from Scratch tutorial to Canva designs, there's no Canva designs and there's no website designs because I'm lazy to add them. And I think that's all for the website.
Sekalian murotal dong, Ustaz.
And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Boleh nggak, Ustaz?
That's it for me. My name is Yani Parisi Fatudin, and that's my tutorial on what the basics are for making a website.